Hakan Atilla took the stand and insisted he never conspired to evade U.S. sanctions as the deputy general manager of Halkbank. His attorneys suggested his boss and others were to blame. But it was Atilla who was arrested while traveling to the United States, while his boss and others charged in the case remain free in Turkey. The only other defendant to face trial in the U.S., Turkish-Iranian gold trader Reza Zarrab. He pleaded guilty and became a key witness for the prosecution, making accusations that rose to the top of Turkey's government. Zarrab testified he paid tens of millions in bribes to government ministers in a scheme that President Recep Tayyip Erdogan himself had authorized when he was prime minister. Turkish officials who initially lobbied U.S. officials for Zarrab's release have now moved to condemning him and seizing his assets.
The very fact that Erdogan has been so concerned about this case does suggest that at some level he feels vulnerable. However, given the ease with which he's dealt with previous allegations of corruption in the past, it's hard to imagine this. It's hard to imagine, as some have suggested, this is going to be the thing that brings him down.
Erdogan's government claims the U.S. is trying to weaken his government and do the bidding of political rival Fethullah Gulen, who lives in the United States.
This court case has stopped being judicial and became completely political with the sole aim to corner Turkey and its economy and damage the country.
A charge prosecutors have described as ridiculous. You can choose to willfully help Iran, said acting U.S. Attorney June Kim in a statement, or you can choose to be a part of the international banking community transacting in U.S. dollars, but you can't do both. Zarrab provided no evidence that Atilla ever took a bribe, but as U.S. prosecutors successfully argued, that didn't mean he was innocent. Now he could face decades behind bars for a scheme he helped design, but others, including Zarrab, got rich off of. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera, New York.